I done that? This is comedy gold. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have just cut my own hair. If you haven't seen that video, then I'll link it in the clickable I button and in the description for you. I cut my own hair and I thought it went really well, but it turns out this side is a lot longer. So just ignore the hair situation as best you can. Today's video is actually kind of a highly requested one. I did a video last year where I tested out Christmas gifts from the website Wish, and lots of you wanted me to do another one. So I have a little pile of Christmas gifts. We're gonna have a little look through together, see what we think of the Wish Christmas gift. And don't forget, if there is any part of this video that you really enjoy or you find yourself giggling at, or if I pull a funny face, let me know in the comment section down below by timestamping it. I've been doing this recently and I have loved the fact that you guys have timestamped points during the video. And I love clicking on the timestamp, going to it, and then seeing exactly what you're talking about in your comment. It just makes life easier. It's just great. So without further ado, let's try some Christmas gifts. So this is product number one. Oh, he looks really cute. Look at him. A lot of the time when I order things on Wish, I end up forgetting what I've ordered because it takes a month or more for the items to ship to me. So sometimes I do forget. A lot of these items I've pretty much forgotten. This one, I remember ordering. This is a toilet seat cover, and this is going straight on our toilet seat. Oh, it's so soft. Oh, I almost don't want to put it on the toilet. The toilet doesn't deserve this. So basically, you pretty much slip it onto your toilet. I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna slip this on the toilet, and then I'll take a little photo on my phone and bring it back. It doesn't fully go around the edges. I think it's designed for a circular toilet seat, but it fits. I'm gonna insert the little Instagram video that I took here. Cute. How cute. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love him. I love him. Okay, the second thing I'm gonna show you is weirdly also a toilet product. It's not so much of a Christmas gift as some Christmas toilet paper. So I got some Christmas toilet paper. Wait, how do I get into this? Oh, I always hate starting a new roll. I'm never good at it. Wait. Oh no, wait. Okay, so this is the Christmas toilet paper. I have no idea why there is only half of Rudolph. They literally just did not put the rest of Rudolph's body on him. I don't really get it. What I will say is it's no Andrex. It's quite thin toilet paper. I don't really know my plies when it comes to toilet paper, but I'd say this was a low ply. It's very, very thin. So maybe we won't use it as toilet paper because, but got a little toilet paper, so okay. Okay, oh my gosh. So this one, I'm so excited about. This one I've actually seen in like Phoenix and Debenhams, in general stores. But I saw it on Wish and it was extremely cheap because it's Wish, so I bought it. And that is, ladies and gentlemen, if I can get it out, a self-stirring mug, which is so exciting to me because, you know, I'm British and I like tea. I don't know how it works though. Open. Need batteries. I will be back when I found batteries. I found batteries! So inside we have this, and I'm pretty sure you just click this stir button and it should stir your drink. Are we ready? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put water in it. Wait, wait! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, can you see the water? Oh, you can barely see the water. Okay, I'm gonna stir it. That's amazing! Oh, why can't you see in there? I love it! I love it! Oh my gosh, this is like my new favourite thing. Don't mind me drinking my stirred water. Stirred, not shaken. Thanks. Well, that is a bloomin' great Christmas gift. I am going to empty the water, I'm going to wrap it back up, and I'm giving it to Nick for Christmas. He will love that. I bought some slime from Wish. I'm pretty sure I bought some last year. This year I bought some blue slime, Lollipop Star Cotton Candy Cloud Slime. So I'm expecting a lot out of this. Interesting. Let me pull this out. Ooh, It feels good. It's got a lot of stuff in it. Oh, it's broken. It's a really nice slime. I wouldn't necessarily say it was cloud slime. Do you call this cloud slime? I feel like this is normal slime. It is a nice colour. It doesn't smell too bad. And then it has in it different bits and pieces. So it's got like sprinkles in it. It's got these little pink balls in it. I don't know what this is. It's like a little foam thing. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's like a little treasure hunt. Oh, cute. Look at the little lollipop. I'm actually really impressed. The slime is good slime. It does actually come with a lollipop. I thought that was just for the picture online, but it actually comes with a lollipop. The slime like this with bits in it is good, but when the lollipop is in there, you can't squidge it as much because the lollipop just keeps wanting to pop out. Lollipop out. It's a Christmas jumper, I think. Okay, it's a very, very thin jumper. It's very much a t-shirt. It's a Christmas t-shirt in a hoodie design. It's not much of a jumper, but it's actually really cute. Oh my gosh, wait, let me put this on. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh, it's really cute. Okay, yes, thank you, Wish. This is very much a, it has thumb holes. It's cute. It fits. It's maybe a little bit big, but it fits. It's got thumb holes. It's got a little hood. It has pockets. It's got pockets. Look. Hey, this is a cute Christmas jumper. I'm keeping this. I like it. I like it a lot. Thanks, Wish. So this is a little car, and I believe it's a transformer, but I don't know how it works. It transforms. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna break it. My brother used to have a little car that transformed and I was not good at it. He's got a head of sort. Wait, how do you, does that just come down? I don't understand. Wait, how have I done that? Okay, wait, okay, he's got arms. He has arms. I don't know. And then I'm not too, ooh! Okay, his legs have popped out. I don't understand. Well, my little man has ended up doing the splits. I'm not too sure. Oh, I broke him. Mom! I'm kidding, my mum's not here. Oh no. This is a point where you would definitely call for mum. He's got legs, he's got arms, he's got a head. I think we've transformed him. And now, I guess we try and transform him back. I'm a genius. Oh no, breaking things. Wait, I've retransformed him. I would have loved this. My brother would have loved this. I'm pretty sure anyone would love this for Christmas. I'm pretty sure even my dad would enjoy putting this together and taking it apart for Christmas. So that's a pretty good little Christmas gift. I enjoyed that. The next item would be a perfect Christmas gift for someone who has everything. Someone who wants for nothing. You can literally give them nothing for £1. So this is the gift of nothing. It is literally a ball with nothing in it. Congratulations, you have received the gift of nothing. Open the pack and be enthralled when nothing happens. The gift of nothing is yours to discover. So, I dropped my nothing. Just put this back in there nicely. Oops. Step 1, carefully open the pack. Step 2, experience nothing. Contents, the sound of one hand clapping. How can you clap with one hand? Is that... Oh! Okay, one hand can't clap, so you don't hear it and therefore it's nothing. Got it. This product is guaranteed to do absolutely nothing. If something happens, return for a full refund. This is comedy gold. Okay, I remember ordering this one. This is perfect. Okay, so it's a stress ball or a squishy or anything else you want to call it, but it's in the shape of a penguin. Oh, it's a good squishy. It's actually a really good squishy. I like him a lot. It's actually a pretty decent squishy or squashy. Squishy? Squishy. Squashy. I don't know what they're called. I'm not up to date. I'm quite happy with that. I would happily have... Smells interesting. But I would happily have that as a gift. I remember ordering this, I know what this is, and I found it quite amusing, and so I thought I would buy it. So this is a little nose warmer that you put over your nose when it gets cold in the winter. And I thought about it. Every other extremity has something. You have socks for your feet, you have gloves for your hands, you have earmuffs for your ears. I wouldn't call your head an extremity, but you have a hat for your head. But what does your little nose have? Well, a nose warmer. So we're gonna... Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh. What is this? Also, it does not smell nice in here. Oh, I'm a unicorn. I'm gonna breathe out my mouth instead of my nose because it doesn't smell that great. I don't know if I'd go out wearing it because I think I'd get some odd looks, but it's definitely doing its job. I can definitely imagine if I had wind in my face, my nose is fine. My nose is fine. I can imagine in the cold, this would be perfect for your nose. And if your nose is that cold, I don't think you care what other people think of you. So you could just wear this. This is great. Look at me. You could get it in lots of different colours, but obviously I chose pink because it looks a little bit like a pig snout and I love piggies, so this is my little pig snout. Or you can put it up here and have a unicorn horn. Or you can put it down here and have a little goatee. There are many uses for my new, I don't know what this is called. What is this called? They've called it a nose mitten. This is my new nose mitten. I actually kind of want to keep it on, apart from the fact it smells. It's very warm. I quite like it. So this is a jelly balloon ball. And I think you just blow it up. Okay, no idea how you get into this. Oh wait, that was easy. Oh, that's already fun. I don't even need to blow it up. I'm gonna read you some instructions. Blow the balloon works like a balloon but did not start. Inside the ball, be careful. What? Let him close the stomata and then play. Stomata. Isn't that like a part of a plant or like a leaf? Basically, you're gonna stick this in and blow it up. Oh gosh, this is really hard to get in there. Am I doing this right? Why won't you go in? I can't get this thing in the hole. This won't go in. Wait, is it in? I said basically you put this in, but I mean, I'm having a lot of trouble with the whole basically putting this in. There is no hole. I am so confused. I kid you not, this does not want to go in. I'm in! I've got it in! Ooh. Okay, how big can we go? Do you guys know I hate blowing up balloons? This is even worse because I feel like if it pops it would be even more painful and loud because it's like rubber. Oh my goodness, I'm so scared. I don't like this. I'm gonna try and cover my eyes. I don't like it. I know it can go bigger, but it really feels like it's gonna pop. So I'm just gonna pull that out now. Oh! It's not going down! It's not deflating. It's like it's like a little version of a wobble bubble. Pow, pow, pow. I am a giant child. And do you know what? I'm happy. So it's all good. I enjoyed it a lot. That's a great little toy. Oops, I hit the lampshade. Woo. I don't know what else you could do with it really, but yeah, good Christmas present. I like that one. Final Christmas gift. This is the one I have been most excited for. Blow up Rudolph antlers, and it's a little game, and it comes with it. I'm so excited. So give me 2 minutes while I blow this up. Wait. I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love this already. This is my favourite Christmas gift. Look at it. This is great. But if this isn't great enough already as it is, it comes with 4 mini rings and you gotta try and get them on there. Oh, what? Nope. Nope. Ready? Ooh, I'm getting annoyed. I'm gonna be here all day. Oh, it's so close. No. this is officially my favourite Christmas game. We get 4 of these. There are 2 green ones, one's on the floor and I'm too lazy to get it. 2 red ones, and there's this hat. And it was, let me see how much it was. It was £3. £3 well spent, I do think. That's the end of this video though. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up for me if you did. Timestamp your favourite parts down below, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Love you, bye!